Hello, here's a sign-in page using JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and Firebase to store users' credentials. Here I have made a login form that accepts input boxes for sign-in and login. There's also an option for if case the user forgets their password, they can re-enter it. Also, they have an option to create a new account. So if they create a new account, it goes to the register box. Here they'll sign up and give their username, email, and password. And once they agree with the statement, their account has been successfully stored in Firebase. So the backend for this would be JavaScript. So importing few of the functions required to connect to JavaScript to Firebase. Our Firebase configuration, this will depend on according to your Firebase project once you have set it up properly. Here we have our constants, console log to show what is actually happening. And here is the actual login code. So when the user enters their login, the event listener adds it to the function. It checks the variables, email, and password according to the ID of the element added in the HTML part. So it then checks the user credential. If it's valid, then it goes on to the next step. Otherwise, an error will return and an alert error message will pop up. Here we have registration when the user has not had any previous sign-in. So when they sign in, they just give their email, password, and again with the same steps. And the HTML comes to an end. CSS is basically just the basic styles according to what I wanted. And the JavaScript in the extra page is just to make an animation effect between the registration form and the logging in form. And a second HTML page to show the transition after finally successfully logging into the page. So to demonstrate, I'll run this code, password, and then finally clicking on the button. So as you see, it has gone to the welcome page and the sign-in page has successfully done its job. Thank you for watching.